Back to the year 1969, His Majesty King Bhumibol Adulyadej the Great graciously set up the royal project to provide a better life for hill tribe people living in very remote areas of the country. Temperate crops were introduced for them to replace opium poppy. His Majesty the King's benevolence, with understanding and empathy, has led to sustainable development, resulting in significant improvement of the hill tribe's livelihoods. At present, operational areas of the Royal Project cover 4 Royal Agricultural Research Stations and 35 Royal Project Development Centers. Mae Hae Village in Ma Najon Sub-District, Madam District, Chiang Mai Province, a high mountainous area, is where Mae Hae Royal Project Development Center is located. In the old days, the villagers earned their living from opium cultivation and slash-and-burn farming. They were poor and had difficult lives. In the year of 1978, His Majesty King Bhumibol Adulyadej the Great visited the villagers at Mae Hae Nua Village and graciously established Mae Hae Royal Project Development Center to promote temperate crops replacing opium poppies, as well as to develop basic community infrastructure. The Mae Hae Royal Project Development Center has operated under the following strategic plans: conducting researches on crop improvement and value-added creation of farm products, as well as demonstration plots for crops and animals to serve as a learning center for farmers. Promoting agricultural refined career, including crops and livestock under food safety and environmentally friendly standards. Value-added processing technologies of agricultural products have been developed, and traditional culture preservation and conservation have also been promoted. Enhancing the community to follow the sufficiency economy philosophy, improve community sanitation, build up self-immunity to prevent narcotic drugs, develop youth and young farmers driving community engagement towards low-carbon standards. The Mae Hae Royal Project Development Center becomes a highland agricultural learning center for domestic and international students and interested people. Regarding the environmental aspect, agricultural land has been managed in soil and water conservation system, encouraging the use of bioproducts, reducing and controlling of chemical use, and conducting environmental pollution surveillance, as well as supporting environmental conservation activities. Farmers' produce will be handled through post-harvest handling system under food safety standards at the center before transporting to the Royal Project Produce Center in Chiang Mai and to customers. To drive towards sustainable organization, the Mae Hae Royal Project Development Center has improved its operational system and human resource capacity building, joined hands with local and central government agencies to develop and maintain infrastructure in the area, and promote the Royal Thai volunteers doing good deeds for country and people. His Majesty King Maha Vajiralongkorn, พระวชิรเกล้าเจ้าอยู่หัว has made firm commitments to nurture, conserve, and extend the work of the Royal Project to ensure its continued operation, offering the highland communities with happiness and balancing economic, social, and environmental sustainability.